Hey, so here is just us app. So let's try to install it. 30 megabytes. It's free to install. So the idea of this app is social alerting. So yeah, in case you are in some dangerous situation or something like that, you can just tap these buttons like help, heads up, or check in, and you can notify your contacts. Yeah, you can do like live stream and stuff, I guess. So here is the app. Basically, you can enable notifications, you can share your location, you can enable audio and video recording, and that's that. And then you can just tap to create an account here. Okay, they don't allow to log in with Google or something. Okay, so let's try. I just want to show you how it works. So I'll just use this app to enter the US number. Sorry guys, it's just